Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can extract audio from video in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add my video to this project, and then I'm going to extract audio from this video. I'm going to right click on the video like this, and then here you will find a lot of options, and you can choose detach audio to extract audio from your video. Okay, and now the audio has been extracted. This is for the result guys. We'll be able to separate the audio from the video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to extract audio from a video in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.